The nature of reality is all is mind, but the mind is not the all. Peace to you and you and you and all my fellow expressions of consciousness. The nature of reality is awareness. That is it. That is the nature of reality. If we are to be sincere, we would say we are aware. Aware of what? Experiences you are experiencing right now. Are you not? Of course you are. I respect your intelligence. You will say yes. Of course you know you are experiencing this video. So there is always an awareness of, I'm experiencing a video. I'm experiencing. The awareness cannot be seen objectively, of course, because awareness is not objective. It is just the nature of what you are. That's what reality is. This would be in everybody's experience if they were to be asked this question. If they're to be sincere of heart. Are you aware that you are experiencing? Yes. Boom. There it is. The nature of reality does not need maths. Math is an experience. Does not need a scientist. Science. Science is an experience. It does not need a brain. Neurons. Brains, neurons are an experience. You see? The nature of reality cannot be seen. That wouldn't even make sense. For if you were seeing the nature of reality, that would make what you are seeing objective, thus an experience again. So not the nature of what you are using to experience it. So it makes far more sense that you cannot see, perceive, touch, taste, smell the nature of what the senses are known to, which is the pure awareness. That is it, my fellow expressions of consciousness. I want you to understand so much that you do not need to be a mathematician, a scientist, a quantum physicist, an anythingist. You can know right here, right now. I told you within 10 seconds. The nature of reality is experiencing. How can anything exist outside of consciousness? Look within your experience. How can you know something outside of your consciousness? Of course you cannot. Because you need to be conscious of it. Now this is very direct. You know my teachings are more direct. Because I want people to really understand how you are God consciousness. I've experienced it and I wish to share. I could go from here to here and take a long time going through different words, different concepts, what people said in the past, what Greeks said, what Indians said, what Africans said, filtering out information and then arriving to a maybe this. No, I'm going to shrink it and show you that you can look within your experience and see that it is this, it's the oneness. These fingers right now, I am experiencing a form that is labeled finger. I'm aware of sensation. I'm aware of this shape. I'm aware of that change. I'm aware of this movement. I'm aware of the stopping of that movement. One is always aware of experience. That is the nature of reality. Now, if nobody was aware, had any consciousness, or was not consciousness, what reality could we talk about? We couldn't even talk. We wouldn't be aware that we are talking to even discuss whether reality is this or that. We just are consciousness. One of the things I experienced in my quote-unquote awakening, enlightenment, self-realization, whatever label you wish to give it, is that it's all here right now. This is it. Many expressions of the one consciousness. Awareness is all there is. Being aware of that which arises out of what we are, which is the consciousness. This body has come out of awareness of it. If I had no awareness of sensation or perception, meaning if I had no awareness of the concept of touch, would I have a body? Would I be aware of a body? Of course not. If I could not feel the body, if I could not see the body, hear the body, there would be no body. I have to be aware of the perception or the sensation, aka feeling, taste, smell. I have to be aware of it to say there's a body. So awareness is even prior to the body. The body comes out of that which you are. You're not in the body coming out of it. The body is in you coming out of you. Nature of reality can be known, for it is all that is known. What could you know that was not within reality? Any thoughts you have, any concepts you have are happening within reality. Do you see that? Everything you can even think of is happening within reality. There is only reality. Same way I say, how can consciousness be aware of something outside of itself? How can something exist outside of reality but be known in reality? Meaning, how can a thought of what reality could be, say a thought that was contrary to what I'm saying, how can that be out of reality? That is still in reality. We can still talk about that thought. There is only reality, there is only consciousness. The nature of reality is awareness, thus consciousness. Please, if you want to wake up, my fellow expressions of consciousness, stay with that, knowing that you are aware and have always been. Awareness. You only know experiencing. As a baby, you had no labels. When you was experiencing through a baby, I should say, there were no labels in that body mind. So you cannot really remember that experience, so to speak. Because you're even more pure. So babies are even more pure in terms of their understanding. They are only experiencing. They're not conditioned yet. We have to remember, we have to forget what we've been conditioned to know. Think about it, conditioned. That means there's something already set, then it's conditioned. We have to unravel that conditioning to go back to what we already are. Pure awareness. I don't want to go on for too long. Stick with stay with your understanding, your knowing that you are aware. Keep Going back to the fact that you are aware of being aware of experiences. You are aware of life. You are aware of reality. You are aware. What are you? Awareness. Who am I? Awareness. As you are, as I am. I am as you are. We're the same. There are different thoughts, different forms. All brown skin, all pale skin. It's just an appearance. What we are is the experiencer of the experience, the pure consciousness. If you like the video, please like the video. Comment, share, subscribe. I have more to help you see that you are the God consciousness of reality. Have a wonderful day or evening. Peace.